slime, you can add in some add-ins like some food coloring. You can make it fluffy. You can add some glitter to it. Now I'm going to make mine. Now, coloring, with some shaving cream that will make it fluffy slime. So just add some, then just mix it all in. Make sure you don't actually touch the food dye. Make sure you just knead all it in and don't touch the parts that are red. You just mix it and mix it. Stretch it. Make bubbles with it. I'll try to make bubbles with it. Then keep on mixing it until it's all one color. Now I'm going to add some purple glitter to it. And don't add a lot of glitter. Just add a little bit. That, then mix it in. So now it's all glittery. I'm going to add some shaving cream to make it fluffy slime. Then you just want to shake it and then add as much as you want. Then mix all the shaving cream in. And keep on mixing that in. And more shaving cream at the top. Then now you can add more rough add-ins like some foam beads. And then when you like the slime, then you just add it in a container. And then add it in. And then you have your very own slime.